Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a sparkly, glimmery card. We're going to be using the Delightfully Eclectic Designer Series paper, the Sweetest Cherries stamp set, along with the deckled rectangles dies and a couple of more things, and I'll tell you about those in a moment. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So I have here our mystery boxes. These are the flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with plus or minus $200 of Stampin' Up products. They're new, used, all retired products. I'm only asking $25 each for the boxes because I have to get them out of here. They're just sitting around wasting space and not being used. So I would rather practically give them away instead of just letting them sit here and not being used. So most of that cost is shipping. But if you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. And just a reminder, I can only ship these boxes in the USA. Okay. Lastly, we have our host code for December. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your free perks, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to let you know right off the bat, I'm casing this card sketch from Tracy Elsom, I think that's her last name. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have a card base here of basic black, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and we're gonna go ahead and burnish the score line. Okay, I have some basic white here that is for the inside. It is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on getting our inside together. We're going to die cut the inside. So, I think, what is this one going to be with? This is the third decals. I'm trying to think if it's the third from the middle. Yeah, I think it's the third largest. Third smallest. Okay, so we are going to, let's see. I know what I'll do. I'll just have to put it. And I want some of this glimmer. This is the 3-color glimmer specialty paper. That's what I was going to tell you. It comes in 3 different colors. These are 2 petal pink, Highland Heather, and Pretty Peacock. Yeah, so it's a 12 by 12 glimmer paper. Really cute. I think it's an online exclusive. So I want to put some more glue right here. Get that on there. And I think, get a little closer there. Don't be shy. I think what I want to do now, let me see. Yeah, I want to do a tiny little strip of some bubble bath right next to this glimmer paper. Okay, and then we are going to let this dry a bit before we die cut. So we're going to die cut this out for the inside of our card. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so let's set that to the side. Next up, we have some more of that glimmer, that Highland Heather glimmer paper. This one I have die cut with the second largest deckled rectangle from the inside, so I wouldn't waste all of this goodness. So this piece is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and we are going to layer on a piece of bubble bath that is 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, okay? It's gonna go on here just like this. So what I want to do is put some tearing tape, because we're going to be going onto the glimmer. So I'm going to put tearing tape around the edges of our cardstock here. And I need to check something. I have something to make sure I don't need to, oh, I didn't put that close enough to the edge. I forgot. I have a piece of basic black here. I think it's 5 3/8 by 1/2 inch. So yeah, okay. I just needed to check to make sure I had it longer than I needed it. So let's go ahead and remove this, because it would make me not do a step. Oh goodness. Take the backings off of this tearing tape. Make sure none is hanging over our sides here. And we're gonna stick this onto our glimmer paper, trying our best to get it centered. And I know that was gonna be through there. So now what we're gonna do is take this and glue this to the front of our card. You know, cardstock has a front and a back once you cut it. That's what I'd be doing sometimes when you see me. Like, why should keep looking at the cardstock and flipping it over? Because it does have a front and a back once you cut it. But before you cut it, it doesn't matter. But once you cut it, there is a front and a back. I'm hoping that this is straight. Oh, I forgot that tearing tape was poking through there. Let's cut the edges off here. Then we're going to take some sheer ribbon combo pack. This is 3 of 3. It comes in 2 different colors. I think it's Lemon Lolly and Azure Afternoon, but this is Bubble Bath. I have a length of that here that we are going to put on here, and I'm getting some more tearing tape. I don't need this much, but we're just going to wrap this around to the, oh, I might not even need it. Forgot I made a mistake. See, there's already tearing tape there. We're just gonna wrap this right through the middle of that black. That's okay. Give extra support. We can cut this off. We don't need that. So now this is ready to be put to the base of our card. Let's take these backings off. All of this, and we, oh my gosh. You're not gonna believe this. I didn't do the most important thing. That was stamp. How could I forget to stamp, people? So I'm hoping that we can get this to be okay. I need to get some glue around these edges here, because it's too late. I got it on here now. Let's see. I want it this way. This is going to layer with the tiniest bit of border. Let me show. I need something of a different color. Let me use the back of this so you can see that black border is just barely there. Okay, so we're gonna stamp now, because I don't know what I was thinking. We're gonna stamp the word sweet and gorgeous grape. Hopefully it comes out perfect, because we don't have any other paper, because I've already adhered it. Okay, that came out good. Ooh, that was worrisome. Okay, then we're going to get Highland Heather, and we're going to stamp Life Is right there. Life is sweet. Okay, So now we're going to put this to the side and work on the inside of our card. I'm going to get the baby boss here so we can die cut the inside of our card. Let me just line this up where I want it. Put some, get some tear tape, not tear tape, some washi tape. Oh, this is not going to fit. Oh my gosh, I need to cut the edges off because it's not going to fit through the mini. Okay. Looks like it still won't fit, but we're going to push it through. It doesn't matter if the edges of that paper gets crumpled because we're cutting it off anyway. Okay, so let's see how this came out. Oh, there we have it. Let's get our die off of here so we won't lose it. So we're going to take this, and I have another piece of this glimmer paper. This is for the inside. And this one measures, what does it measure? I think it's 5 by 3 3/4. Maybe it's 3 1/2. Oh no. This was the die cut. Yeah, I die cut this one. So it's a oh, it was out of the middle of here. Duh. I just told you guys that. I don't know, my brain. So here we go again with the tear and tape. I've been really busy this month. Very busy. So since Christmas is over, things should calm down. Well, not really, because my husband's birthday is coming up. So, yeah, there's that. We've been busy. Let's see. We're going to layer this on here, like so. And I think I'm going to just go ahead and put some more tear and tape and put it on the inside of our card. And I know I could have cut out some out of the middle of this, but since it's going to inside of our card where the person needs to write on it, I didn't want to have a hole in here and they're writing and it dips down. You know what I mean? So that's why we didn't save any of our glimmer on this part, this portion of our card. So let's go ahead and get the inside put in. Ooh. Just like that. Oh, that looks good against that black. Okay, so that's the inside. So now I have a piece that is, what is this one? I don't know. Let's get a ruler. This piece is 4 1/8 by 2 1/8. And we're going to layer that on with some designer series paper that is 4 by 2. So this is our designer series paper we're going to be using. Oh, it's going on the glimmer. I don't need the glue. Hey, tear and tape all day today, huh? Tear and tape is the star today. And we'll put some on the edge here. Come off. And right here in the middle. So how did you guys this Christmas go? Did you have family over? Did you cook a big meal? Was it a traditional meal? We don't do traditional meals for Christmas because we had the traditional Thanksgiving. Did you get all the gifts you wanted? Did you give out great gifts? Like, tell me about it. Let's put some Stampin' Dimensionals on this and pop it up. I've been making my cards a little bit harder lately than they need to be. Like the card is so simple, but I think I make them more difficult than they need to be. And I don't know what's going on. Okay. Make sure these are all pushed down. And get this onto our card. I didn't get that one. I think I'm rushing through this because I'm a little hungry and I want to go eat. So we're going to place this right about here. Like that. Then we're going to get some bling bling. This is the pastel Adhesive-Backed sequence. And it comes with the bubble bath. I mean, not bubble bath, but petal pink. And that's petal pink inside of there. Oh, no. So let's get some. It comes in 2 different sizes here. So we're going to get our Take Your Pick tool. And we're going to bling this up. I don't know what that is right there, but I'm going to cover it with some bling. Oh, gosh. I think I want to put 2 there. And then I can put a big one up here. And we can call it done. Yep. Oh, you have to come off though, so I can call it done. That is our card, you guys. Ooh. Life is sweet. That's cute. That's the inside. I like it. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.